Hi guys, welcome back to a new episode of High Ride Garage. Paolo here, and today we are going to find out a fantastic new helmet. As you can see, it's a Suomy helmet, so that's still in its original cover. It's in beautiful condition and it belonged to well, it's not the original one, it's a replica, but the design belonged to one of my favorite rider when I was a teenager. A really cool guy who is still around the MotoGP. But to find out who this rider is and the design around the helmet and the feature, please do give it a thumb up, subscribe to the channel, and let's go. So here, maybe some of you can already find out. Of course, we are talking about an Italian rider. We can see the Italian flag there, the design, and the fantastic blue, light blue and darker blue of this helmet and the stars. So here it is, guys, and I'm sure most of you already recognize it because this is a very iconic design in my opinion. This is coming from the Rizla. Okay, the Rizla, I don't need to explain. I should not even explain what they do nowadays. Those kind of products, they're not very welcome anymore, but nevertheless for health reasons. So here is the number 65, so I'm sure that most of you have already recognized who the rider is, and it's Loris Capirossi. So I'm a huge fan of Loris Capirossi. I wanted him to win so badly in Ducati. He did fantastic wins. He almost won, well, the championship. He could not really win it because of an accident in 2006, but he did very well on Ducati. He was sort of a hero. He took the Ducati fight and the challenge to the maximum, and unfortunately then he had to leave, and then he left to Suzuki. So that's why we see this light blue and yellow coloring. So that was the motorbike that he inherited from Vermeulen, if I'm not mistaken, or John Hopkins, one of the two American Australian rider. And but here it is, guys. It's in beautiful condition. This helmet is actually already sold on the store, so I'm doing the video a bit late. I've had this helmet for a couple of years, but I decided there was now time to go, and a lucky buyer actually managed to put his hands on this spectacular helmet. Again, as I said, is in spectacular condition, not even one scratch. The design is perfect. It also has this visor with sort of reflection purple. So it's really nice helmet. Suomy, one of the top notch at the time, and as you can see back in those days, so here we're probably talking about 2007, 2008, you start seeing that they were creating these sort of wings for stabilization. The padding inside is very comfy, and with the removable plastics, so, and the removables in case of a crash, so double ring of course. So this is really nice helmet. I love the design, I love the character behind. Unfortunately, it was not very successful, Capirossi, on this Suzuki machine, which we now know that legacy. Well, we don't know how much close is that old model to the one of today. Is a MotoGP World Championship winner. So chapeau to Suzuki, chapeau to Joan Mir, but today is all about Capirossi and the legacy that he has left us. So as you can see, really cool rider, nice colorful colors. So please guys, tell me what you think in the comment about the helmet. Sadly, this helmet had to go. A new lucky buyer is going to take possession soon of it, so I'm not going to put it up as a free giveaway, but as you know, on the channel there is plenty of free giveaways, so please subscribe to the channel, give it a thumb up, comment and share with your friends, and you get the chance to win some legacy helmets and some design that we make. So thank you very much for watching, guys. It was fantastic to have you here, and I'll see you in the next video.